Okay, we're gonna look at the same pay stub we just looked at to find gross pay, total deductions, and net pay. We're gonna answer a couple of different questions here. So first question says, if the amount taken out for federal tax remains the same on each biweekly paycheck, how much will be paid in federal tax for the whole year? So a couple of things that we wanna make sure we're looking at. When you get this question, you wanna make sure you're looking at the correct tax. So this one specifically asks about federal tax, which I'm just highlighting here. On this check, it's $1,001.47. And we need to know what kind of check this is. It is bi-weekly. And we know that a bi-weekly check is gonna happen 26 times a year, okay? So really what we wanna set up, we're gonna take the amount on this check, $1,001.47, and we're gonna multiply it by 26. So I'm gonna type that in, $1,001.47 times 26. And so I'm gonna see that my amount that's going to federal taxes for the year is $26,038.22. Whoops. Try that one more time. You guys, the next question says find the percent of the pay taken out for taxes. So I'm specifically only gonna look at the 4 taxes listed here. Social Security, Medicare, federal, and state, all 4 of those together. So I'm gonna add up all of these on Desmos. We'll move this over a little bit so I can read it. So we have 280. 280.79 plus 65.67 plus the $1,001.47. How could I forget that? And that last one for the state, which was 280.89. So it looks like the total amount taken out in taxes is $1,628.82. That's just all the tax values. So to find the percent of the pay taken out for taxes, I'm going to find all the taxes in this check. And I'm going to divide that by my gross pay. So we just added up those 4 taxes, and we said $1,628.82 was the amount taken out, but that's not the percent. We're going to divide that with that gross pay we found in the first problem there, which was $45.96.39. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and divide that. And we're going to just round it at 2 decimal places. So when I divide that out, and I'm just making sure I got the right amount, yep, all looks good. I got 0.354 and some extra. I am just going to round that off at 2 places. So either this is going to stay 35% or it's going to round up to the next value, which would be 36. Since this is a 4, though, it's going to round up. So you could tell me 0.35 or 35%.